Hey, beautiful love muffin. Thank you for joining me today. It's Chandi, and today I have a fun tutorial for you, Fairisle. Fairisle is a knitting technique that uses multiple colors, and you get gorgeous looks like on this shawl here. It's not difficult, but I have 3 tips for you today to help you achieve success if you are new to Fairisle. All right, tip number 1, keep things loose. You don't want tight Fairisle, you don't want tight stitches. If you need to go up a needle size or 2 while you're working the Fairisle section, you can do that, and then just hop back down to the regular needle size when you get back to the plain section. Make sure to keep your stitches loose on your needle so that your floats in the back stay nice and loose. Tip number 2, choose high contrasting colors. You really want those colors to pop. If you're unsure how to tell, one tip is to take a picture of your skeins and then turn that picture black and white. Then you'll be able to see if the colors contrast enough or if they're all really similar in value. Tip number 3, please, oh please, do a swatch first. 1, to make sure you actually like how the colors look together once they're worked up, and 2, to wash and dry it. This will let you know if your colors are going to run together at all. You know when you accidentally toss in something red with your white laundry and it turns everything pink? Same concept can apply even for professionally dyed yarns. So you want to make sure to do that swatch, wash and dry it, make sure everything is good before you start your finished item. Also, by doing a swatch, you're going to make sure that your gauge is correct. So there's some tips on how to get started knitting Fairisle. I hope that's helpful for you. If you did like the video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on future episodes. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye-bye.